Just want to go over a quick video to show how remove and replace prop shaft on a RS1. I've got it up in my lift right now just far enough so I can get under it a lot easier. Now, this is the way I did it. I'm not sure it's like this in the service manual, but it's a lot easier. I took all the skid plates off. I had to place the whole prop shaft. All the U-joints were either bent or broken. And then you want to take out that bolt there in the middle, just to be able to get the prop shaft through. The two for the pill block, pretty self-explanatory, and then the roll pin on the front diff. For the front shaft to come off, it's just like most razors. Pull it back, slide it on those splines there, and then I pushed it forward and left of the diff to get it off, and then pulled it out through the top, through the cabin. Then the rear shaft, what I did, unbolted it from the rear and actually slid it forward, and then I came out of this hole back and down. Worked pretty slick for me, and just did the opposite going backwards. But yeah, definitely taking the skid plates off, in my opinion, was the best way to go and gave me a good opportunity to clean them out. So hope this helps you guys.